guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking a Yale and TOWNE vintage padlock from kind Bosnian build. I've got to be quite quick because I forgot to charge the battery on the camera, so thank you, Bill. Be lovely for my lock collection. It's made for United States Navy. Hope you can see that. It's a beautiful lock. It will be full brass, I think, obviously due to wear and age. Going to be using another Peterson flat 5 because they are quite flexible. A reach a half diamond, or a deforest as some call it. I'm going to use top of the keyway. And hold tension wrench with my thumb. Start at the back, work to the front. It's a good wrench because you can adjust your tension quite nicely with it. So no working key. So we get on, so to the back. Have to mix and match with the pins. So going sort of backwards and forwards over them. And there is little drops on the plug. And here's sometimes pin 1. It's just got it. So it's lovely to pick. Now and again it opens quite quickly. Other times it takes its time. So that's a lovely Yale and TOWNE padlock, vintage padlock, single pin pits, made for the United States Navy. So if you are newbies to lock sport, guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.